Good morning, students. Today we will start civics of class 9th, chapter 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? But before that, we will start syllabus or content of civics. Chapter 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? Chapter 2. Constitutional design. Chapter 3. Electoral politics. And chapter 4. Working of institution, and last chapter is chapter 5, democratic rights. Now I will start chapter 1, what is democracy, why democracy. First I will tell you the definition of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which people elect their representatives. Topic 2 is features of democracy. Major decisions taken by elected leaders. Free and fair electoral competition. One person, one vote, one value. Rule of law and respect for rights. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we will start third topic of lesson 1. What is democracy? Why democracy? Of class 9th. Content is why democracy. Arguments against democracy. Arguments for democracy. Broader meaning of democracy. Why democracy? Democracy is desired globally. Those countries which were not democratic earlier strive to become a democracy. Democracy has been praised by all the great people in the world. Our country is a democracy too. All this leads us to the fact that democracy is the best form of government. Topic 4 is arguments against democracy. We came across many arguments which are commonly discussed against democracy. In the class discussion, some of the assertion against the democracy may be summed up as follows. Democracy becomes unstable because of continuous change in leadership. Because in our country, after 5 years, election held and political parties change. Leaders are changed. Second point is morality does not concern anyone. Democracy revolves around political competition and power play. Third is decision making gets delayed in a democracy since each decision seeks approval from so many people. Elected leaders sometimes take bad decisions because they do not know the best interest of the people. Democracy is based in electoral competition which leads to corruption. Ordinary people do not know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. Topic 4 is arguments. Topic 5, arguments for democracy. Democracy is considered to be the best form of government because it offers better chances of a good decision. It is prone to respect people's own wishes. It is more tolerant and permissive to different kinds of people. Therefore, offers them to live together peacefully. Even when it fails to fulfill the expectations, there is a scope of correcting its error. Offers more dignity to all citizens. Next and last topic is broader meaning of democracy. In democratic countries, all the people do not rule directly. Representatives elected by the majority of people are allowed to take decisions on behalf of all the people. Besides the government, democracy can also be used in context of organizations, which may even include a family. Let us read the following statements. We are a very democratic family. Whenever a decision has to be taken, we all sit down and arrive at a consensus. Here consensus means opinion. My opinion matters as much as my father's. I don't like teachers who do not allow students to speak and ask questions in the class. I would have to like teachers with democratic temperament. True democracy will come to this country only when no one goes hunger to bed. In a democracy, every citizen must be able to play a role in decision making. For this, you don't need to have equal information, basic education, equal resources, and a lot of commitment. These goals of democracy make us realize the worth of democracy. Thank you.